Stumbled across an ERK file with no obvious application connection? This is a rare extension requiring some detective work. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through investigating these ERK specialized data files. For those who want the most versatile tool, it's coming, and it features my favorite single ERK file inspection utility that is compatible with hundreds of formats. ERK files are uncommon specialized data files with no widely documented application source. The three-letter extension may be associated with a niche scientific, business, or industry-specific application that uses proprietary formats. Identifying the originating software is essential before any meaningful access to the file's content can occur. ERK files use an undocumented proprietary format that could be binary structured text or compressed data. Without source documentation, the internal structure must be discovered through hex inspection context analysis or contacting the file's source. The unusual extension suggests it is custom or domain-specific, rather than a mainstream public format. Generally, ERK files are most compatible with Hex Editor. The specific compression standard used by this file is not recognized by native Windows software. Windows provides only high-level info, so opening the file depends on rare or archived programs. The key to fixing this ERK file is finding the right software association. Right-click it and choose Open With. Start with Hex Editor if available. If not, select another application from the list. If you still can't open the ERK file, it's okay. If you've reached this stage, the problem is deep. We are going to perform 3 quick tests targeting the most common failure points. First, examining with Hex Editor. Open the ERK file in a Hex editor like HXD or 010 editor to inspect the raw bytes. Examine the first 16 bytes for magic numbers, indicating common file types like zip, PDF, or PNG signatures. Look for readable text strings throughout the file that may hint at the source application or content type. Next, searching file databases. Search file extension databases like fileinfo.com, filex.com, and online technical forums for ERK references. Industry-specific search engines and specialized communities related to your context may have information about the originating software. Sometimes context like the file's source organization narrows down possibilities significantly. Finally, contacting file source. Reach out to the person or organization that provided the ERK file. They can identify the originating application and may export the data to a standard documented format like CSV, XML, JSON, or PDF. This is the most efficient path for accessing data in uncommon proprietary formats lacking public tool support. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.